Tired of clutter and messy spaces? These genius organizers and storage solutions will transform your home effortlessly. From underbed storage to space-saving shower caddies, we've got the best picks for you. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. And check out the link below in the description for all the products. This is the Hamitor Corner Shower Caddy Tension Pole, your 4-tier solution for a clutter-free shower. With adjustable height from 43 to 121 inches, it fits perfectly in any bathroom. Each sturdy plastic shelf holds up to 9 pounds, storing everything from shampoo to razors. The rust-proof 304 stainless steel pole keeps it durable, while self-draining shelves prevent water buildup. Easy, tool-free setup. No drilling, no damage. Perfect for bathrooms, bathtubs, RVs. Get organized. Stay stylish. This is the Jarlink over-the-door organizer, your space-saving storage hero. With 5 roomy pockets and extra side mesh compartments, it doubles your storage instantly. Built to last with reinforced stitching and sturdy cardboards, it holds up to 44 pounds without tilting or swaying. Perfect for bedrooms, pantries, nurseries, and more. See-through mesh makes grabbing items effortless, and tool-free setup takes just 30 seconds. Maximize space, minimize clutter. Get yours today. This is the XXL 60L underbed storage with wheels, your ultimate space-saving organizer. Built with durable 600D Oxford fabric and a sturdy metal frame, it holds up to 60 pounds with ease. The clear zip-up lid keeps dust out while letting you see everything inside. Plus, 360-degree rotating wheels make sliding it out effortless, perfect for clothes, shoes, toys, and more. Fits under beds, sofas, and even cribs. Declutter your space in style. Grab yours today. This is the Vitopmart Clear Stackable Storage Drawer Set, your go-to solution for tidy spaces. Perfect for makeup, bathroom essentials, kitchen items, or under-sink storage, these acrylic bins keep everything organized and easy to find. The stackable design saves space, while built-in handles make access effortless. Plus, non-slip silicone pads keep them steady. Durable, stylish, and easy to clean. Get your home in order today. This is the Frenulum Vintage Storage Dresser, a stylish and functional storage solution for any space. With fabric bins for clothes, toys, and accessories, plus a sturdy metal frame and wood top, it's built to last. Designed for bedrooms, nurseries, closets, and more, it features adjustable feet for stability and an anti-tip kit for safety. Easy to assemble and perfect for organizing your home. Practical, vintage, and versatile. This is the Jawsby Slim Shoe Cabinet, a sleek, space-saving storage solution for your entryway. Featuring 2 flip drawers with adjustable tiers, it neatly holds 8 to 12 pairs of shoes, keeping them dust-free and organized. Designed with a sturdy wood frame, a gold handle for style, and an anti-tip kit for safety, it's perfect for narrow spaces. Plus, it's easy to assemble, a modern, clutter-free upgrade for your home. This is the Sedita Lift-Top Coffee Table, a 4-in-1 convertible masterpiece. Need a dining table, a workstation for 2, or just a stylish farmhouse coffee table? It does it all. With hidden storage, sliding barn doors, and a sturdy metal lift system, it's built to last and impress. The distressed oak finish adds a cozy rustic vibe, perfect for any living space. Versatile, stylish, and functional, your home just got an upgrade. This is the UpSimple's 4-pack acrylic shelves, sleek, floating wall storage that keeps your space organized and stylish. Perfect for kids' books, bathroom essentials, kitchen spices, or decor, these invisible shelves blend seamlessly into any room. Strong, durable, and easy to install, they hold up to 8.8 pounds with a protective front lip to keep items secure. Declutter your walls with a modern touch, because storage should be both functional and beautiful. This is the All-Zone Rust-Proof Shower Caddy Corner, your ultimate bathroom organizer with 4 spacious tiers for all your shampoo, soap, and essentials. Built with a rust-proof stainless steel pole and solid plastic shelves, it fits most showers with an adjustable height from 39 to 113 inches. No cutting required. Plus, its self-draining design keeps your products clean and dry. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to effortless organization. This is the Soleti 100L laundry hamper, big, sturdy, and built to last. With reinforced rods, a metal frame, and a stable MDF bottom, it won't collapse or deform over time. The removable inner bag makes carrying laundry a breeze, and the lid keeps your dirty clothes out of sight for a tidier space. Made with waterproof, tear-resistant fabric, it's perfect for bedrooms, dorms, and bathrooms. When not in use, just fold it away. Stay organized with Soletti. This is the LifeWit Clear Clothes Storage Bag, your heavy-duty solution for organizing bedding, blankets, and more. Made from thick, tear-resistant PVC, these 40L storage bags keep your essentials protected and visible at all times. With reinforced carry handles, you can lift, stack, and transport with ease. Perfect for closets, underbed storage, or moving day, these durable foldable bags keep your space neat and clutter-free. Stay organized with LifeWit. This is the VTop Mart 2-tier bathroom organizer, your ultimate space-saving storage solution. Perfect for under sinks, vanities, kitchen cabinets, or countertops, this pull-out organizer keeps essentials tidy and within reach. With smooth sliding drawers, a sturdy stainless steel frame, and non-slip pads, it's designed for stability and easy access. Plus, the clear PET material lets you see everything at a glance. Declutter effortlessly with VTop Mart. This is the Alosio Stackable Kitchen and Laundry Organizer, a sleek bamboo top storage solution with a rust-proof stainless steel basket. Use it stacked or wall-mounted to store trash bags, kitchen essentials, or even pantry items. With a large front opening, grabbing what you need is effortless. Plus, the tool-free adhesive mount makes setup a breeze. Declutter in style with Alosio. This is the PhotoSoak 55 large toy storage organizer, the ultimate playroom solution. With 8 toy bins, 6 cubbies, and 3 shelves, there's room for everything: books, puzzles, toys, and more. Designed to teach kids organization while keeping their space tidy. Plus, its modern white finish blends seamlessly with any room. Give your little one the gift of storage: fun, functional, and mess-free. This is the Sizzly Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink, a smart, space-saving solution. Its rotatable spout directs excess water straight to the sink, keeping your countertop dry and clean. With 3 compartments and an upgraded brush holder, it neatly stores sponges, soap, and brushes, all in one compact design. Plus, its rust-proof stainless steel build ensures long-lasting durability. Declutter your sink area effortlessly with the Sizzly Sink Caddy. That's a wrap on these must-have home organizers. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome finds. And check out the link in the description to grab yours today. See you in the next one.